Load shedding has been implemented for more than 30 days this year, affecting businesses which are run from home or depend on internet connectivity to operate. Eskom has warned of more rolling blackouts if the power utility fails to meet demand. Ahmed Kajee visited a few small businesses and a school to find out how they are being affected.
As load shedding in and across the country continues, businesses in Johannesburg are feeling the pinch. This comes as the country exceeds 30 days of load shedding since January. Power cuts have seen output at bakeries and restaurants slow down, which has affected their bottom line. Mohammed Saleh of Saleh's Bakery in Fordsburg explains.
Our production size completely gets shut down. From our ovens to our mixing machines to our fryers, everything like that. We can't do any production during load shedding.
With his business situated near the Johannesburg CBD, Saleh says traffic caused by load shedding means less customers.
With load shedding kicking in, I would say about 50% of my turnover, because first of all, customers don't want to come because either traffic, robots, people are stuck in their homes, can't open their garages, so that also affects us with load shedding in terms of customers coming to our store.
In Randburg, D's Soul Food Takeout opened in September last year. Manager Sibusiso Mhlanga says the restaurant loses money on seafood when there is no power.
Normally we lose probably like 2 point something or 1.6. That's what we normally lose when there is no electricity, especially when it comes to the seafood part. Yeah, the seafood part we lose money because half the time we have prawns, shells, so we can't afford for like the electricity to be not there.
Meanwhile, schools haven't been immune to the negative impacts of load shedding. Principal of Greenside Primary School, Cheryl Cotwell, says power cuts create a problem for the phone systems.
We changed all our phones to VoIP, which means it's reliant on internet, which means it's reliant on power. And since load shedding hit, we've had to, we can sit for 2 hours at a school and have no telephone system, so parents can't get hold of us, we can't get hold of parents.
The school has computer classes which also get cancelled during load shedding. Cotwell says projectors and classes with visual aids are also affected.
Because we introduced data projectors into the classrooms and sound systems, the teachers have now been able to teach in an interactive, more visual way, and so they plan their lesson, and then the next morning we get told there's load shedding, so that lesson can't happen.
The school's alarm system also malfunctions when there is load shedding in the evenings. Cotwell says power surges also damages equipment.
So often the surges, the power surges, when it goes off, comes back, it damages some of our equipment and we have to keep replacing it, especially our server, because it's our entire school is run on a Wi-Fi system.
Generators and solar panels are alternatives that businesses and schools are looking at to mitigate the impact of load shedding. Businesses in Johannesburg say they will continue to make contingency plans. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Ahmed Kajee in Johannesburg.